Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This tutorial shows how to copy and paste a document in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Microsoft Word and take a text for do our work. To select, click and drag on your mouse. Click copy option and select a place where you can paste it. And click paste option. Otherwise, you can do this work using your keyboard. First, you select the text, click and drag on your mouse and press Ctrl C for copy and select a place and press Ctrl V for paste. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.